Hi everyone, welcome to Shell Sugar Rush and welcome back if you've been here before. Today I'm going to be sharing with you this adorable mermaid smash cake that I made for a first birthday, along with some cupcakes to go with it as well. So if you enjoy things like this, stick around and watch me put them together. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notifications bell so you'll be notified when I upload more cakes and treats in the future. So let's make a mermaid cake. So I already have my 6-inch vanilla cake crumb coated, chilled, and ready to go. And here I've just taken some of that American buttercream that I made, and I've colored it in a soft pink, a light purple, as well as a light teal color. And I'm just gonna finish putting that in the bags and get ready to put the final coat on this cake. Now I'm doing the 3 colors because we're going to have 3 different colors on the outside of the cake to add to that mermaid theme or mermaid look that we're going for. So now that my icing is in the bags, I'm just going to go ahead and clip these about an inch away from the point. I like to do this part in the icing bags just because it gives me better control over where it's going. So you see here I'm using the teal, and I'm just putting 2 rows around the bottom of the cake. And of course then I'm going to go in with the pink next and do the same thing. I'll put 2 rows of the icing around that, and finish off with the purple here at the top. Around the top sides, and of course on the top as well. And then I'll just take my scraper and smooth this down real nicely and get it ready to add some decor on. So our mermaid cake is ready for its decor. So here you can see I have made some things out of fondant, and I have taken the purple and just taken some strips and cut them, and then kind of twisted them up to give it that seaweed look coming up from the bottom. And I've also made some of these out of the teal fondant as well. And then I made some seashells, as well as some seahorses. And I've also cut out the birthday girl's name with some of the teal fondant just to put that little message with her name on it along the cake board here. And I'm just attaching that with a little shortening just to keep it from moving around, kind of secure it in place. Now for the very top of the cake, I have made this large mermaid tail. And what I did for that is I just rolled out some purple fondant, and I just kind of cut out the shape, freehanding it. And I used one of my metal piping tips to actually make the scallops in the tail, and then a fondant tool to just make the lines in the very end of the tail. And I have attached a large stick, flat stick, onto the back of it to be able to secure that in place on the top of the cake. And you can see that piece here, and all of our decor is on the cake, and now we're ready to get started on those cupcakes. And for the cupcakes, I have 1 dozen chocolate and 1 dozen vanilla here, and I have also taken those same 3 colors and combined them in a piping bag together. And I'm just using a 1M tip to make a swirl on the top of these cupcakes. And then you can see here I have some mermaid tails there on my counter, and I have done those in the same 3 colors. So, and those were done just in a mold using colored chocolate, and I am placing one of each of those on top of the cupcakes for that added decor, and then some sprinkle mix called mermaid sprinkles that have the mermaid colors in them to give it that final touch. And our cupcakes are complete. Be sure and let me know what you think about this set in the comments. I'd love hearing from everyone. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And don't forget, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notifications bell so you'll be notified when I upload more cakes and treats in the future. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you next time.